Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to find empty cell in Google Sheet. So let's start. So this is my Google Sheet, and you can see here that I have a one column cells ID, but in this column have some empty cell. So to find the empty cell, select the full column and click on this three dot, and here the click on the create filter. Okay, and you can see the filter icon. Just click on this drop down arrow and clear these selections. You can see the all selection is clear. Now just select the blanks and drag below and click on OK. Okay. And here the empty cell is found. So if you want to delete this, simply select the row. I just select the all row here. Right click of the mouse. Then click on the delete selected rows. That's it. Now just clear. Click on the filter here and click on the select all. Drag below and click on the OK, and that's it. You can see no more any empty cells available in this column. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.